Hey friends, I am Sahil from serverfather.com, and today we can see how do you install the Softcules from ISPmanager. So you can scroll down here, and in integration you can see the modules Softcules and click on install. It will take a little bit time, and after install your panel ISPmanager will restart, and just log in again. So from here, once modules is installed, from here you can see Softcules settings, okay, installation in the progress. Once Softcules is installed, you can see here in additional apps. Okay, now we can log out and log in again. Now here you can able to see the Softcules. So friends, if you want to remove the Softcules, just press delete from here, and deleting the module and your ISPmanager hosting control panel will be restarted. Log in again. Now you can see it's not available, okay, and here you can see free Softcules is again installed.